Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be discussing how to unlock champions in 2xKO. So guys, if you are new to game, it is very easy. First thing you have to do is finish the learning hub. So guys, from here, as you can see, when you go for the tutorial, you will have multiple missions over here that you could do and potentially earn some characters. So guys, to look at the characters, you will have the option over here, the helmet gear icon. And from here, as you can see, you should be able to see all of the characters that are unlocked. And each one of them have their own animations, as you can see. And you could provide the skin, the taunts, and the finisher as well to customize it. So to unlock a certain characters, you will have an option unlock over here. And as you can see, you can unlock it with your token or coins over here or the KO points. So pretty much you will have three options to unlock a certain characters. But as much as I can or as much as you can, guys, you could just simply complete all the missions as you can see over here to earn more currency. As you can see, we will have multiple missions over here that we could do. And to view all, you would just simply select view all missions. And from here, you should be able to have the featured weekly first steps and events. So as you can see here on the first steps, as you can see, if you fight as a duo in 5 matches in a match made lobby, you will have one token to unlock some characters. And pretty much you could also avail the battle pass in order for you to unlock other characters and points as well. So pretty much playing as much as you can will do the job, and just simply enjoy and have fun, and you should be able to unlock characters as long as you play the game and earn some points.